Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Engineers Live. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, I'm going to share all the ideas, insight, tools and tactics that will help you to go from whatever level you are currently in the software industry, okay, to the epic level of success. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe to this channel and let us begin. What is the scope of Microsoft Azure or DevOps? Which field is better? So Microsoft Azure is also cloud computing. You are building application on Microsoft Cloud. Okay, the top five cloud infrastructure. One is Amazon Cloud, one is Microsoft Cloud, one is Salesforce Cloud, one is IBM Cloud, and one is Google Cloud. These are the five top cloud infrastructures. These are not the only cloud infrastructure. There are many other cloud infrastructure. For example, all the hosting companies like GoDaddy, Bluehost, these are also cloud infrastructure. WordPress is also a cloud infrastructure. Okay, so Microsoft comes within the top five cloud infrastructure. So of course, Microsoft certification, Azure certification can help you. DevOps does not matter. DevOps is not about Microsoft or Amazon. DevOps is development in operations, means software development in operation. That means running your software operations, okay, managing your cloud infrastructure, creating a continuous delivery pipeline. Do you know that Facebook releases some code every day, every single day? How does that happen? That happens through continuous delivery, and that happens through DevOps. Okay, so DevOps is more like a framework of all these. There are many things in DevOps. Within DevOps, you can just know 1% of DevOps and you can be really good. Okay, because for example, if you learn Jenkins, which is a part of DevOps, or Nginx, which is a part of DevOps, okay, that can be one tool you learn and you can get a really good job. So DevOps is more like a framework of development in operations, automating all the operations. Instead of having a hardware engineer go and manage the network, instead of somebody installing applications, instead of somebody deleting applications, instead of somebody upgrading application, everything can happen through DevOps. That is what is DevOps. Okay. Shivani Joshi, one last question. Which field is better according to you, Microsoft Azure or DevOps, or should I learn both? Because see, I believe that you should learn. DevOps is very important. DevOps, let me just, so DevOps, I hope my voice is not distorted. DevOps is very important for any kind of infrastructure management, whether you go to Azure, Amazon, because DevOps is a kind of a philosophy. Okay, there is a very famous book on DevOps. If you want, you go and read that book. Okay, you go and read that book. I will link that book in the description of this video. But DevOps is very important if you're going into infrastructure manager, or you are going to cloud computing, if you want to learn how all this automation works. Okay, so DevOps comes above. Azure is just a tool. It's like a screwdriver, or it's like a hammer. A carpenter needs to know carpentry. DevOps is carpentry. Okay, Azure is just a tool. Amazon Web Services is just a tool. Salesforce is just a tool. Okay, understand the difference between. So DevOps is not a tool. DevOps is a framework. Deepak Kumar, dear sir, is Microsoft Azure Administrator worth it? Yes, of course, it is worth it. Every job is important. Software industry is not just built upon programming. Programming is one part, very important part of a software industry, but there are more than 50% work that is not programming. There is quality assurance, which is not programming. There is project management, which is not programming. There is systems and infrastructure manager, which is not programming. Okay, there is sales and marketing, okay, creating prototypes and all, which is not programming. There is business analysis, which is not programming. Okay, so Microsoft Azure part of administration is not programming, a very important part of a project. Because let's say a particular client is on Microsoft Azure and your company gets the contract to manage that client. Okay, depending on how good is the client, this project is very important for the company. So if you do a really good job of this, then your value in the company goes up. Your value will not go up because you're a programmer or you're not a programmer. In fact, the people in system admin and support, they have a quick promotions because there is a very less competition in the company for these jobs. Okay, software jobs, there is a huge competition. If you're just a programmer, then there is a huge competition. But if you're a programmer with a specialization, if you're an engineer with some specialization, it can be a domain specialization, it can be technology specialization like machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence. It can be a specialization in certain tools like Salesforce, Azure, Amazon Web Services. Okay, if you are in some kind of a specialization, then you are much more than just a software engineer or much more than an engineer. Okay, so that will help you a lot. If you are out of college, get a job. There is no other thing. Do whatever you want to do, but first get a job. Okay, so thank you very much for coming live on this channel with me, Musings with Engineer. Next live will happen Thursday 9:15 p.m. Thank you very much. Have a good day.